Hey everybody, Shrek here. Hiking out in the Blood Mountain area today, all by myself. Fiona's actually, she was up late last night studying, so she's, I think, at home. She just got off of school. She's taking a nap. But anyways, found this beautiful camping area right next to this beautiful creek. So I think that next time we're out camping, we might give this place a shot. It's nice and warm. We could actually go swimming a little bit. Absolutely gorgeous out here today. Still a little cold though. Hiking up to the AT, heading towards Neal's Gap. Somewhere this is off of Bear Hair Trail, off of Coosa backcountry trail actually, out of Vogel. And somewhere it connects onto the AT. So I'm trying to find that. Anyways, Shrek out. Shrek here. The approach to Blood Mountain Shelter. 4,400 feet. I think it is. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, wow. Oh. This is kind of neat, actually. Neat. You guys up just day hiking?
We are.
Yeah.
We are. It's beautiful up here.
It is, definitely. Where'd you guys walk up from?
Yeah, from where that little lodge is at.
Oh, Neal's Gap?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. Fortunately, it's a really hazy day today. Well, that'd be a beautiful view. Okay, Shrek here. I was just up at Blood Mountain Shelter. Came up from Vogel State Park. Went up through Bear Hair Trail onto Coosa backcountry trail, onto Blood Mountain Trail, onto the AT. And then at the shelter, and that was about 5 miles. I got about a 5-mile hike back. My elevation gain started off at Vogel Park parking lot. It was about 2,200 feet. Blood Mountain Shelter's at 4,400 feet. There's actually a road entrance to Blood Mountain Shelter not too far the other way on the AT. So it was loaded up with people up there just day hiking, family, stuff like that. Didn't want to spend a lot of time out there. So now I'm heading back, but as you could tell, this is like a rock garden up here. It's absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful views. It's a little cloudy today, a little overcast today, but it is just an absolutely gorgeous hike. The 2,200 foot elevation gain was pretty hard. It was a pretty strenuous hike. When they said strenuous on the book, they weren't kidding. But it is a really good hike, really tough hike. So now I'm heading back, and we'll talk to you later. Shrek out.